top producer of these big people. Them. Big up yourself, Rvssian. You're a king in our earth, youth.
We need help. Not one man can do it, not two. Everybody have to do it together. All the politicians, them, all the artists, them, all the money man, them, everybody, all the influencers, everybody must come together as one. Jamaica need it together. It's not a want, we need it. As you can see, try and help who we can help today, but there's tomorrow and the day after. This thing is going to need a joint effort of help.
We are grateful for this in Eastern Westmoreland. You has been a great impact on Jamaica. Musically, internationally, everywhere. And we appreciate you for coming here. Rvssian! Big up yourself, my dad. Don't worry yourself, bro G. Yo, hold this. Big up the here.
See music we are beat and we can't play that now. So we got to come through because say we support all of who they try help us. And today we're going to get support and tomorrow. It's on the life we have got over together. So anytime we up again, phone the music everywhere I play.
The hurricane can shake us, but it can't break us. Jamaicans will always find joy, even in the hardest times.
But me know say that I cap them never do a cyber, them never do a hack, them never chop a wire, never chop a money pack. The money them a hype, we know say that a problem.
Yeah, authorize it.